Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is V and welcome to Party Deco by V Space. So I want to share with you how I did this balloon centerpiece, which was really nice and simple to do. It took me like maybe within a minute everything is all done. So I use a candle orders, the silver one. I bought them on eBay. Then I use a ceramic tiles and also use a pipe. Everything you can get them everywhere. For the pipe and ceramic tiles, I bought them in B&Q and they were so cheap. The pipe, as you can see, it was like £2 and 19 pence, and the tiles, it was like £6.97, and I had to take the old box, which was like 40 of them inside, so it was really cheap. So this is how the pipe looks. It's very long, as you can see, and so I use a tape measure to measure how long I want them, and mine I want it to be like 24 inch. You can measure as long as you want. It all depends of how long you want your centerpiece to be. So these are the pipes which I've already measured, as you can see. So like for one long pipe, I managed to get like five of them. Then I use a glue stick, not a glue stick, a glue gun, to attach the candle orders to the ceramic tiles, as you can see here. So just take your time, just go around and use and put some the glue stick, then attach it to the to the tiles. Just make sure that you've attached it nicely, and you can also go ahead and put also the glue from the outside, just to make sure that it won't fall out. Just make sure that is very stable. So after that, attach your stick, your pipe, and you're done. That's it. Less than a minute, you have a beautiful centerpiece. So for me, I wanted to paint them because white didn't match well with my theme. So I went outside and paint them gold, and they look really nice, as you can see here. Here they are inside, already dry. And yeah, to be honest, that's it. So after that, I use them for the part I was decorating over the weekend, and they really like it. It was really beautiful, to be honest. As you can see here, me attaching the balloons, and I think the length was really fine. I think 24 inch was perfect for this party. Yeah, so you can just go ahead and do it, and it's so easy. You just DIY yourself, and they are usable. You can just use this just many times as you want. And the good thing I like about the centerpiece is just because like the stick, the pipe can come off, so you can just remain with the base, like the ceramic plus the candle holder. So even when you are if you want to transport them, it's so easy because you didn't glue the old bit, which is much better, because you can just take it out, put the stick separately, and put the base separately, and you are ready to go. As you can see here, after I finished the party, I was just trying to show you guys that this is how you can do it. Just put them in a bag just like that, and guess what? You're ready to go. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and join my team. More videos coming. Thank you so much. Bye.